Okay, let's start with the demo. Let me log in into my server. Let's take first task, create file and directories or application. Very simple, just use make directory command to create directories. Let's create 4 directories: source, document and assign directory, big directory, then asset directory. Let's check them. This one is present earlier from when we log in. These are the new one. Now let's create files. To do that, I need to use touch command, then source, the file name. Let's use app text and doc. Let's create readme.txt and as for config setting.txt. Let's say again, let's check all of them. Let's start here. The config setting, ls doc and the source with app text file. The asset is empty. Now next is move copy file between directories. To do that, I need to use cp, that's the copy command. Copy source app file to doc. Now I'm going to give a new name to the app text file. App demo.txt. Now let's check directory of this is an name for it and it worked. Now I'm going to move it to another directory. Let's put it into asset directory. Check it. Now I'm going to rename it. Again, I'm going to use move command. It selected the file. Then asset. The renew name will be new app dot text. This is the new. This is the rename it. This delete file and empty directories. To delete it, I need to use remove command. And the first is start with file. Deleted. No response message empty. Now this is empty directory. Delete empty directory. rm flag r that much recursive is needed for directory, but let's try this way. Cannot remove directory because it's a directory. With flag r it gone. If there is no asset file directory here. Okay, now check file type and metadata. To check file type, use file command, then the directory. then the file. We can also use a directory to use source directory, and if we just give all the and all the file type of each current directory contain. Now we are going to metadata. The directories can also work based on file to it's an empty file, as I say empty. Let's check metadata. For that I need to add then a file name source. Here is the metadata. It's a file, the size of and the modify, change, birth, permissions, ID, PID, everything. Okay. Now let's organize all this file in a project folder. Let me create another directory project command, then directory names one by one. Those pick it to project. Everything to demo project now. So add demo project. Let's just here. Okay, that's it.